What's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can hard reset, also known as a factory reset, your Apple Watch SE 3. Let's go. Welcome back to the video. My name's Sergio, and in this channel, I make life-saving tech videos. So if you're new here, feel free to subscribe and hit the bell while you're down there. All right, let's get to it. So I'm going to actually show you 3 ways to perform what's called a hard reset, also known as a factory reset, on your Apple Watch, so that in case you have a password and you can't get into it, or you just want to erase everything on your Apple Watch to be able to give it or sell it to someone, by doing a hard reset, you'll be able to erase everything on your Apple Watch so that you can hand it off to someone else. And also, like I said, if you have a password like this and you can't get into it, or it's locked or it's disabled, I'll also show you how to perform the reset with the buttons here so that you can start using your Apple Watch normally again. All right, so for method number 1 is you can perform a factory reset with your iPhone. So all you have to do is go into your Apple Watch app. Here in your Apple Watch app, you will scroll down to General. Here in General, you will scroll all the way down, and the reset option will be the one at the bottom. Go ahead and select it. And then here you're going to select the first option, which is Erase Apple Watch Content and Settings. Okay, it's going to let you know that this will erase all media data and reset all of your settings on your Apple Watch. Once you're ready, go ahead and hit the red button to confirm, and the reset process will begin. Okay, if you can log into your Apple Watch, another way that you could do the factory reset is by finding your settings here in the Apple Watch. Here in Settings, scroll down once again to General, and then here in General, you're going to scroll all the way down, and you'll see the reset option towards the bottom. Go ahead and select it. Here it's going to let you know, erase all content and settings. Okay, you're going to have to hit the reset button up here. So go ahead and select erase all content and settings right here. It is going to ask you for your password. Go ahead and enter it. And once you do, the reset process will begin. All right, so now for the third and final method to reset your Apple Watch. Let's say you have a password and you forgot it, and you can't get into your Apple Watch. Or maybe you've put in the password wrong too many times, and your Apple Watch is locked like this. No problem. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do it right now. So all you got to do from here is you're going to press and hold the control center or power lock button right here under the digital crown. Go ahead and hold it, okay, until you see the emergency slider over here. Once you see this, you'll see a option up here towards the top right for power on, power off. Go ahead and select that. Okay, now it's going to turn into a slide to power off. Here what you're going to do is you're going to press and hold the digital crown. So go ahead and press it. Okay, and it's going to tell you here, connect to a power source. Okay, when you press the digital crown though, make sure you don't spin it. You have to just press it in without spinning it. Okay, so here you can go ahead and take your Apple Watch off, and we're going to go ahead and connect it to a power source. Okay, so I have a power source right here. Okay, as you can see, as soon as we connected it to the power source, it says erase all content and settings. It gives you this option right here. Okay, go ahead and hit reset. And then it says, are you sure you want to continue? All media data settings, it will be erased. This cannot be undone. So yeah, make sure that you do this, that you have any information backed up that you need to keep, because this will erase everything on your Apple Watch. Okay, so once you're ready, hit reset, and the reset process will begin. Okay, so we're going to give it a couple seconds here for it to complete the reset. Okay, so after a few seconds, it is going to show this Apple logo, and there's going to be this loading bar which has to load all around the Apple Watch. Okay, so give it a couple minutes for this process to complete. All right, so after a couple minutes, looks like it finished. Once you see this screen, you're good to go. You can go ahead and disconnect your Apple Watch from the charger. Let's go ahead and put it on. And as you can see, your Apple Watch will be completely reset. It's at the initial setup here of the watch. So here you'll just have to go through all of the options here to get it set up and start using it normally again, or hand it off to someone else. So there you go. That is how you hard reset, also known as a factory reset, your Apple Watch SE 3. Go ahead and destroy the like button if this video helped you out, and comment down below and let me know. And also, if you want to check out our 45-watt super fast chargers, which charge your phone 3 times as fast as regular chargers, check out the links down below in the description. So that's all for this video. I'll catch you in the next one. As always, peace.